Hi there, this is Alex Coop from CDN, and I'm here with John Husband, who just picked up the #1 Solution Providers Award for Softchoice. John, congratulations.
Yeah, thanks, Alex.
Yeah.
And thanks for hosting this event.
Yeah, well, not a problem. Thank you for coming. And let's just get right into it. I want to just talk about 2018. What were some of the biggest takeaways for you for 2018?
Wow, we had tremendous growth in 2018, obviously, year over year. The numbers were pretty staggering. And if I reflect back on the year, where that all happened, our services business continues to grow very nicely. Cloud was everything this year, not only on traditional Microsoft Office 365. We've had that business going for a while, and that continues to roll along both on the product and on the services that get attached. But we had a lot of growth on clouds, cloud infrastructure, if you want to call it that, as a service with Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services. And that's starting to become a nice business model because it's kind of a run rate type of consumption model. But we also wrap around our managed services around that, and a lot of customers need help with those workloads there in terms of us acting as their IT department in many ways. So those are all big areas. Software asset management continued to be a really strong area for us as customers require a lot of help and assistance with managing all their software assets, making sure they get the best value to their software assets, and it's actually used. So those are all great areas. As a company, we put more investment into kind of the small, medium business market in terms of coverage, probably more specialist in our outbound coverage in terms of offering solutions to our customers. So all that wrapped up in quite explosive growth for us, and obviously breaking through $1 billion this year was a pretty monumental a milestone that we hit. So we're happy with that.
Well, that's fascinating, and I know we're already a couple months into 2019, but there's still a lot of it left. So I'm curious if you can point to one thing that you guys think you're going to try and zero in on in 2019. What would that be?
Yeah, I still think we want to continue. I mean, there's a few things. I'd say, the whole end user productivity experience is one of the streams that we're really working hard on. A lot of new technologies in the market like Microsoft Teams and Cisco Teams for collaboration, and we're working extensively with both of those vendors, getting that technology out in the market and then wrapping managed services around it. So that's one area. Hybrid IT continues to be another area that's very explosive. Like I talked about Amazon and Microsoft Azure, and I think we're just at the infancy of that. As a lot of those workloads are growing. I saw today that Microsoft announced their earnings, and they just had explosive growth in cloud. So I think both of those areas are continuing to grow and grow and grow.
Absolutely, I agree. And it's not often you get to have so many players from the channel come together at one event. What does something like this mean to Softchoice and just the rest of the channel? Yeah,
one of the things about being in the channel and being somewhere between the manufacturer and the customer is you really have to have great partnerships with the manufacturers or the publishers in the case of software. Without those relationships, the business doesn't happen, right? And just things like them working with us in our office day in, day out. I can tell you they come into our office, probably over 100 manufacturers and publishers are there all the time, working with both our call center and our outbound reps, helping us win solutions because they need our coverage, right? I mean, we have a lot of feet on the street, we have a lot of telecoverage, and for them to get reach into the marketplace, they need a partner like us, and we need solutions that they have. So it's a good, it's a good fit. It's like a knife and a fork that works together, and without them, we wouldn't have a business.
Yeah, no, that's really interesting, and the channel is really much changing every day, and you guys are right in the thick of it and leading the way, so that's great. Thank you again very much for your time.
Pleasure.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Alex,
yeah.
And again, thanks for hosting this great event.
So that was John Husband of Softchoice. I'm Alex Coop, editor of CDN. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we will see you very soon.